Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series of proposed research titles in different areas or in different courses. This time, we are focusing on the different courses in the tertiary level or in the college level. So, meron na tayong mga naunang ginawa na proposed research titles sa level ng senior high school. You can check that out in my YouTube channel at Toket Padama. And this time, we are going to add another video related to BS Nursing. Okay, so here in front of you, makikita ninyo kung ano yung mga pwedeng maging gabay sa pagbuo ninyo ng inyong research title kung kayo ay naka-enroll sa kursong BS Nursing or Bachelor in Science in Nursing in the Philippines. Pwede nyo palitan yung mga variables nito para maging personalized at para maging fit doon sa kailangan o required sa inyo ng inyong subject. So, I hope these proposed research titles will definitely help you learn and give you an idea kung ano-ano ba yung mga pwedeng maging research title sa area ninyo in BS Nursing. Thank you very much. I will come up again with another area kung hindi ito yung area ninyo. All you need to do is to comment your course dito sa comment section. Type nyo yung specific course and I'll try to create a list for that particular request. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and I will see you on our next video. God bless everyone.